Hi everybody, and welcome to the Leading Edge YouTube channel. Very nice quick short video for you, and apologies in advance about the noisy traffic because the door is open and the shop's quite full. A very common misconception is that paint protection film, or PPF, is only for new cars, and as you can see in this video, this is far from being a new car. This Am Firebird is no stranger to our business. We have been looking after it for quite a number of years, and it belongs to one of our best and also pickiest customers. And unfortunately for him, being a solid black American car, you just have to look at the paint and it scratches, and the poor gentleman tried to look after it many times and struggled to be able to wash it without marring the paint or getting water spots, which we can't blame him because we would struggle to do the same with this car. And he finally said, you know what, that's it, I want to fix this permanently, and decided to have us wrap the whole car with paint protection film. To be exact, it is Suntek Ultra paint protection film. And I just wanted to show everybody that PPF is not just for new cars. It's a great idea for new cars, but if you have a car worth preserving, or a car that is extremely difficult to look after because of its color or paint, it is a fantastic option for you. So obviously this is a 1970s model car. PPF didn't exist back then, and so there are no templates, but all the work that was done to this car is custom. And for example, one piece of film would stretch all the way from here, all the way up through the roof, and right down to the bottom of the recorder. So it is not impossible to wrap old cars. The workmanship of the paint of the PPF studio from John Collins, who is actually in our complex at Roselle, is some of the best in Australia, and it's reflected in the outcome of this beautiful car. So the whole car is PPF'd, including the bonnet scoop. It looks better than the day we polished it, and I'm very sure the customer is going to be more than happy now to look after it, as it's going to self-heal and be greatly more resistant to water spotting than it was before. And it's warranted for 10 years. So everything is wrapped, including these little bits. Let's have a look. You could see no obvious joins. The paintwork is still like a mirror. Extremely reflective, and it'll be nice and easy to look after now. So if you do have any questions, or if you'd like any quotations done for your personal cars, please feel free to drop us a line on our website, or even just email me directly at sales@leadingdetailing.com.au. Thank you very much.